Hey, I'm Whit, and today I've got a budget watch collecting find from one of my Facebook groups. This was a $60 automatic in a carbon fiber case. Yeah, let's crack it open. Welcome to Watch Wit. Yeah, that's a nice case, huh? So this is the Chronologia, and it's just another one of those watch brands that's got a funny name, huh? I'm not really into it, but I did see one of their watches that I really liked, and I just kind of thought, well, that's kind of cool, and I tried to find one, and I couldn't, and then this one popped up, and I thought, well, I like that one too, and this is a good way to find some of the watches that, for instance, this brand came out as a Kickstarter campaign first, but then they evolved. I think they were definitely a Watch Gang watch 1 month. So this is one of those things where if you don't subscribe to Watch Gang, but you see a watch that you like, that's how you can find them. You just look in your Facebook groups and subscribe to a few of those, and you'll find some watches turning up every now and then to catch your eye, and they're usually at a pretty good price. So this one caught my eye, and it was $60. What do we have? Oh, we got a little wrap. And there it is. Yeah, look at that with the pops of blue. Oh, love it. Nice. Let me get it off the pillow. So this is the Chronologia Climber is the collection, and this is a carbon fiber case. I'm sure you can see some of the texture there. And carbon fiber bezel as well. And you can see there's kind of a asphalt black texture to the dial itself. And I can see some polishing around the indices, especially catching it on the 12. But it looks like it's on the other hour markers as well. And definitely the 6 and 9. And look at that date. I like that, how you see that cut through of the previous and the future date between the 2 and the 4. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. A little different. And then you've got the military time, 24-hour time in the on the Riot, the chapter ring. That's cool. Nice sweeping red seconds hand. Little lollipop on the midsection there. This is NH35 movement from Seiko, and you can see at the bottom it says water resistance, 10 ATM, so 100 meters, automatic. Look at that for $60. Isn't that a great find? Japanese automatic movement, 10 ATM, stainless steel and carbon fiber case. Got a leather strap with quick release. Let's check this out. That's nice action. So 60 click. See if we can get it to somewhat line up. No, I think it's a little off. Yeah, so we got a little bezel alignment issue. Not as critical with this style, though, since you don't really have like hashtags at the markers. But yeah, you can tell it's a little off. This is, I don't know if that's enough to bug me. That looks better to me, but yeah, I don't know. One way around it is you leave it there. I gotta say, my Vostok is definitely getting me more used to having the bezel just set anywhere. I don't have to have it right at the top. But for the purpose of this video, yeah, let's set it there for now. All right, I measured off camera, and I've got a 45 millimeter diameter. You've got a 12.5 millimeter case thickness, and lug to lug is 51 millimeters, and your lug width is 24 millimeters. I love 24 millimeter straps, just like that wide feel. This is a mineral crystal with sapphire coating. Really? I mean, just give me the... Does that really work? I doubt it. You know what I mean? Just say it's mineral crystal. Don't even waste your time putting the sapphire coating on there. Does it really do anything? I don't know. Let me know if you know something different. But I just feel like that's a gimmick so that you can say sapphire somewhere in the description, right? It's not a screw down crown. Yeah, is not. So we've got first click for date. Yep, slides just fine. There's that little preview window, the little slices. That's kind of cool. Just makes it a little more interesting. I mean, There's no reason for it. It's just a little design touch, right? That's pretty cool. All right, and then second click, and there's your hacking. And let's weigh this thing, because this carbon fiber case is really light. You can see some of the marbling there just from the natural process. It's pretty cool. I mean, you know, from a distance, it just looks like well, I was going to say this looks like a black PVD, but not really. It does kind of have a resin or some kind of look to it like that. But I don't know, from afar, it doesn't really strike you. You just see a black watch, but it's really light. So let's compare it. All right, so I grabbed my Steel Dive SD1970. This, you know, a lot of people have them. If you don't, that's basically a pretty average stainless steel diver. I mean, as far as the size goes and everything. So those come in at 178 grams, and you know, so this is pretty similar in size. Obviously, you got stainless steel bracelet here and leather band here, but like I said, just as a reference to see that carbon fiber difference, because it is really light. 69 grams. Oh, I can put the G-Shock on as well. All right, and the G-Shock, 69 grams as well. There you go. So, same weight. That's just a great find for 60 bucks. That's one of the things, you know, like I said, about some of these Facebook groups. You can just find watches that somebody doesn't want and pick it up. Oh, signed crown, too. You can pick it up for a steal. Let's see what the lume is like on this bad boy. So it comes out of the chute nice and bright. It's got C3 green luminescence on the hour markers and the handset. There's nothing on the rotating bezel. And you'll see it's starting to fade already, but you know, we judge lume so often by what we see on video, you know, fading quickly like this. But I'll tell you that I'm recording this voiceover a few days after I've had the watch, and it lasts nearly through the night. It does dim, as you see here, but the true test is in the pitch black, you know, bedroom in the middle of the night, and happy to say that it's still pretty legible almost until the morning. And here it is on my 8-inch wrist, and looks great. That's a perfect fit for me, but it is very light. I think I'm going to have to find a different strap for sure, because it just, I mean, even like compared to the G-Shock, which again is the same weight, you know, I can still, with the way that curved band is on the G-Shock, it's got you know it's there, but this is so light that I can't even really tell that I'm wearing a watch, other than the, you know, feeling the band around my wrist. So but boy, that is cool. I bet it's very durable. It's carbon fiber. We'll find out, huh? What do you think? Are you go or no go on watches like this? Would you do a carbon fiber? You know, is that something that you want or need for one of your daily watches, your beater watches? And you think you'd be able to take it? Leave your comment down below, and I'd love to chat with you about it. If you like budget watches like this automatic Chronologia Climber for 60 bucks, give me a follow and I'll show you some more. I'm Whit, with so many watches, so little time, and money.